Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to use the quick format data options in Microsoft Excel. By using the quick format data options available in Microsoft Excel, we can quickly apply a preset formatting on a dataset. These format data options available can be either a general format, a number format, a currency format, an accounting format, a short or long date format, a time format, a percentage format, a fraction format, a scientific format, and a text format. By applying a different format even before we start inputting the data in the cells, the formatting will occur automatically depending on what we have typed. First, we must select the area with the data that needs to be formatted. Once we select the area, we make sure that the Home tab of the ribbon is activated, and then we locate from the middle of the ribbon the area named Number. At the top of the number area, if we select the arrow next to the command Custom, the drop-down menu will appear with all these different quick format options to select from. General format, no specific format. Number, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as a number. Currency, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as currency. Accounting, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as accounting. Short date, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as a short date. Long date, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as a long date. Time, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as time. Percentage, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as a percentage. Fraction, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as a fraction. Scientific, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as scientific. Text, we have a preview of how our data will be formatted as text. If we are not satisfied with all the quick format options that are available for us, at the bottom of the drop-down menu is located the command More Number Formats. Once the More Number Formats command is selected, the Format Cells dialog box appears with the tab Number activated. In the Number tab, we can format our data with many more available options to select from. Whatever adjustments we make, we must press the OK button located at the bottom right corner of the Format Cells dialog box for them to take place.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.